We have been asking money. So many meetings myself, health secretary has attended. 30 crores is coming, 30 crores is coming, still is coming and all. But hopefully we will get it. And then with the National Mental Program, for which only Dr. Mohan as a team had come, so that 4 new buildings were constructed, and then we have been using these buildings. All other infrastructures we have reasonably extended, lighting, fans, dining facilities, overcrowding reduced from 1,700 when it took over, it became 1,300, now it became 1,500. Like I said, it's a revolving door. People come and then they go, and sometimes they come back and then they go. But we don't have any single rooms. All single rooms have been demolished. What we want to give them is, our aim is, like a patient goes to a general hospital or walks into an Apollo hospital if possible and all these things, where he has got a cot, he has got a bedding, linen, a cupboard, something like that. That is our aim, that every patient should have this sort of thing. They should not be lying down on the floor, and they should not be with a begging bowl like this. They should not be having. They should be treated humanly like every other person. And then investigation and treatment, I think that's not a problem because of a tertiary care hospital. We have all the rehabilitation services possible. We do it. And like I remember Wealthy Fisher said, it is better to light a single candle than to cause the darkness. It is not a candle. It is our health minister and the MLA is lighting that Olympic torchlight for our sports day. These are the activities, our ongoing activities in the Institute of Mental Health. And then some of the patients are encouraged. They get a rolling shield when they do extremely well. And these sort of incentives goes on. And then wherever there is a function, there's a hospital, then we celebrate Pongal function, Christmas functions, and then sports functions, and then whenever there is a possibility, we involve the patients, we involve the students. Luckily, nearly about so many nursing colleges, the only training institute of mental health, we really have about 300 to 400 nursing students. I feel that's the best way of, because if 400 nurses every month, they go, nearly about 5,000 to 6,000 students, they are trained in mental health for 1 month. They are the best ambassadors. They are all going to be distributed to various primary health centers or district headquarters in Tamil Nadu. And if they are aware of mental illness, they can be able to identify mental illness, or what our secretary is talking about, preventive cardiology people talk about, like preventive psychiatry we should be able to talk about, so that we are able to avoid chronic mental illness. We have in our own outpatient department, we have our tailoring unit, we have got the Rotary Club has given another some 6 this thing, and then this is the wire bag making and handwork unit, mat making unit. Somebody asked for a 1 crore compensation, now all the faces are all marked now. So this is our bakery unit. This is the old bakery unit. The new bakery unit is going to be commissioned shortly, and then it will be looking like a modern bakery house or a hot breads or something like that, hopefully, in the near future. These are the small little things that our patients have made, and then this is on every occasion we try to sell it to the patient. Whatever contribution goes to the IMH. So what you find is that, like Vandana was telling, when the Banyan was there, they were able to send and relocate some of the patients. But then now for the past one year, we have been trying to, if you look at 40 patients with absolutely no social support, they are sent to various rehabilitation homes in the places, and then 50 patients from others sent, like some of the NGOs in Bombay and other places, they have come now, and then they are able to reunite. So the human chain, you can find the High Court judge, our health secretary, our dean, our nurse, and then myself and the deputy superintendent, all the staff nurses. It's one of the longest human chain that we've been able to make it in the institute, but the chain should grow, should become longer. So the first step is to come forward. The next step is being united. Then only we can think of. So hopefully in the near future, the government sector, the non-government sector, and the public, all of us will join together and to promote positive mental health care. If we can do that, that's something wonderful. Probably whatever, why you are taking psychiatry will be fulfilled.